I get quite a number of questions on how the flight plan transfer between the installed devices and the ADL system works. So I thought I made a short video in this aircraft installation. We have an ADL200 device which is installed in a hidden location, and it's wired up to this GTN 750. And now we are going to see how we can transfer automatically the waypoints which are entered into the 750 to the ADL system. Please note this only works in this one direction. For the other direction you have other options with a flight stream and so on, but that's not the scope of this video. So this is just an RS-232 aviation data connection between the two devices. So we start out by entering a few waypoints. We start with our home base, and to make things interesting we also select a complete departure procedure, Volvo 1 Alpha. And then to go a little bit faster we select just an airway. Select a few waypoints. And then we finish up Munich Airport, for example, and then we just created a real quick some flight plan. Here you can see it. That's the flight plan we created. Now we switch over to our ADL200 device, and there we open the flight plan, and as you can see currently it's not yet reading this data. The important thing is to activate the FPL in mode. It's a little button here, then it asks if we want to activate it, and from this point on it starts to read the data from the GTN device. And now it's processing. We wait a little moment, and then we see that it received all the waypoint information from the GTN 750 device, and we look on the map and we see we have the very same waypoints in here, including the whole Volvo 1 Alpha departure procedure, which we also have in here. And so this is a very convenient feature, because this way you no longer have to enter any waypoints on the ADA system. You automatically get the waypoints you entered in your GTN 750, or this works the same for 650, for GNS 430, 530, IFD 540, 440 devices, and some other GPS navigators. And then you can download the weather according the corridor. This also works continuously, so if we now just make a change to our flight plan, for example, we add one more waypoint, go here, Piazza in Switzerland, to make it a little bit longer, go back on the map, you see we got another leg added here, and then we switch over to the ADL device, and you see it already updated our flight plan in here, so we have the same flight plan information we can download the weather for in here. And so now, just for completeness, we can start to download the weather for this route. We do a single Iridium download, and now it's sending the satellite or the request up to the satellite. We have good satellite connection. Currently the aircraft is on the apron on the ground, but the view to the sky is pretty good around here. Can show you we have no hangars or similar in the area, and quite low trees, so we have good visibility around to make this happen. The antenna which is used by the ADL200 device is located here, while the device is located behind the panel that's installed in this area here. So now the ADL200 device has got uploaded its request and it's already receiving the answer. We see it split up in packages. It's the first package of 2 is already received, and shortly the second one should come in. And then we have all the weather information on the map in a corridor, which should be then according to our flight plan. So give it a little moment. There we go. It's downloaded the complete weather information, and now we can switch over to the map we can activate the radar, the infrared and the strikes, and you see exactly the corridor it downloaded, but obviously today there's no weather, so it's a nice day, so we just see the background, there are no returns in this area. So with this FPL in feature, you always have a very easy possibility to update your flight plan without having to enter any waypoints. Thanks a lot for watching and fly safe.